Okay. So we did stem cells on our right knee about a year ago.
November 4th, I think it was.
A little bit longer than
2019.
Yeah, okay. So when I first met you, you could barely
I could
walk.
hardly walk.
I remember trying to attempt to bend her right knee
Oh.
unsuccessfully. On a scale of 1 to 10, how bad was your right knee pain when we first met?
1 to 10?
Yeah, 10 being the worst.
Well, about a 15.
About a 15, okay. And today, so it's actually been like a year and a half.
Yeah.
So where is your pain at today on a scale of 1 to 10?
Probably 2 or 3.
2 or 3. And how old are you, Rebecca?
87.
87 years old, okay? So would you recommend the stem cell treatment to other people, Rebecca?
Absolutely.
Absolutely. From a functional level, tell me what else you can do. You live on a farm, so from a functional level, what can you do now that you couldn't do before?
I can spin for hours now. I'm addicted to spinning, and you have to use both legs to run the wheel because it's got 2 pedals.
Yep. And what do you spin?
The wool and the alpaca that are out in the barn.
Exactly. And what do you make, Rebecca? What'd you bring me that one day?
Let's see, face mask,
You
right?
did, for my motorcycle.
Yeah.
So
Yeah.
she made me a wool
Yeah.
face mask
Yes.
for my motorcycle.
Yeah. And
Yeah.
an alpaca one.
Yes, she
Yeah.
did. The high-end stuff.
The high-end stuff.
Yeah.
And I do craft shows,
Excellent.
do my own setup,
Okay.
do my own chores, mow the grass. Of course, that's a riding mower. I don't have
Yeah.
to push anymore, but then that's. I noticed that it seems like barometric pressure when we're having a change, my leg is affected.
Gotcha.
I don't know if anyone's ever said that
Yeah,
before,
that's
but
common.
it seems like that's when I have a little bit of trouble.
Okay. And when you do have that trouble, it's much less than what it used to be.
Oh yeah. Mhm.
Excellent. So, 87 years old, her right knee, she could barely bear weight on it, and it's basically 90% improved at 87 years old. So thank you so much for sharing your story, Rebecca, and I'll see you in 3 more months for a follow-up.
Okay.
Great.